I'm Gabby.
I'm Mac. I'm Sky.
I'm Ren.
And we're Lehigh Coffee Club, bringing you the rivalry drink this season, the Snickerdoodle
Smackdown.
Keep your hands warm in the stands these seasons with our brown and white themed drink, while we beat Lafayette, incorporating 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 espresso shots, 8 ounces of milk, a frother, and a Snickerdoodle cookie.
Of course, it wouldn't be complete without a Lehigh mug.
And now we're gonna combine the brown sugar and the cinnamon into the milk. Give that a small stir. And now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Now we're gonna make some espresso shots.
Froth your cinnamon mixture for about 30 seconds. Make sure to really mix it. You want to see those bubbles on top. And now we try to draw a clutch.
Trying to make a bird with foam and cinnamon with a fork,
Because we're going to beat Lafayette. Alright, well, this is close enough. We have our little mountaintop, signifying mountaintop. And it's almost by mountaintop, they're Goodman, where we're going to beat Lafayette.
And now you have a Snickerdoodle Smackdown.
Sipping down on the Snickerdoodle Smackdown to take down Lafayette for sure.